Let's play Redactle number 564 on Sunday, October 22nd. The difficulty level up here seems to be very high. And then the title is 4 letters with 7 in parentheses. So presumably that's disambiguating and saying this article is about a specific meaning of 4. I have a bad feeling about this one. 4-letter word. I'm thinking it's going to be quite a common word. Yeah, I think if it's something that has a lot of different meanings, that makes it even more common. Could the 7 be physics? Let me go into the settings. Now that I think about it, I did turn that on yesterday. So let me turn it off, close. Okay, so 4-7. It's an 9-4 of 7-8-7 by 10-9. It's an something atom of something, such as 7, 6, 6, and 5. 4, 6 may be classified as in the 884 sense, maybe, or maybe understood. 4 is a 9 something. All right. Is that from the self something or the post? We have some interesting. The 2-4 of 4 is the 4 as 9-7-8. And is that EG or IE? But then we have these characters or numbers with a period in between, or a point, floating point. What uses that notation? An IPA address just uses a decimal point like this, right? Where do you have those floating ones? In something, some other area. 4 is something usually known as a something, by something, by the something. Oh, by the, yeah, by the, I'm not sure, but some letter maybe. But I don't know what the 8-letter word before, if it's known by a character. No, that's 9. Often the 4-7-6 is 6-6 is called that. 5 like. They have 5-7 through the 5. Ooh, opposite. Positive and negative. I think that might be opposite polarities of something. So I'm thinking maybe something electrical. I am thinking of a cell. Maybe would be a 4-letter word for something with positive and negative. I'm going to try it, just see if I can snipe this. No, 0, but let's try positive then. Only 2 positive. And then let's go with negative, and just 2 negative, but that's not there. Positive dash something. Oh, this must be the axis. No, axes. Okay. Okay, something of 4 along these. So we have some formula here. Is it +1 and -1? Okay, let's look at our negatives. Non-negative, oh, so maybe is it mathematics? Integer, yes. So the 7-letter word, could it be algebra? Not algebra. 4 is an 9 area. No. So let's try numbers, integers. Oh, how about calculus? No, no calculus. Oh, what is the geometry? No, that's 8 letters. How about sign, as in positive or negative? Yeah, I'm just trying to think of 4-letter words to do with mathematics. 0, 7 zeros. If the 11 something is upon the something, is that the denominator? Did I spell that right? Since 10, 9 are 5-like, 4-8 is 3, 4, 7 for something. However, on the power, no. How about factor? 7 factors. Non-negative. Oh, how about real numbers? Something of real something. How about decimal? Okay, 4-letter word. Oh, and this, yeah, I'm going to have to get this 7-letter area. And I presume it's some sub-area of mathematics. Oh, there's one at the back of my mind, very obvious one. I'm just not coming to me. Let's see. A 4, 7. Oh, a complex number? No, we do have complex. Maybe can be something by any complex number of 9, 1 of something 1, such as in the oh, how about a line? Oh, I'm surprised there's no occurrence of line. Let's try angle. 8 angles. Oh, rotation of angle something around the axis parallel. We do have that. How about perpendicular? No, no perpendicular. Again, did I spell it right? Looks right to me. Parallel to the, well, let's do X, so I did that, Y, Z. Let's do 0. Ooh, 345 zeros. 1 over 2. Oh, so is this some series of numbers? No. Factors, factor, factorial. No. The 1210 of the 4-7 number where something can be any non-negative. How about N? Okay. How about P? Can I have a P bulb? Just a couple of P's there as subscripts. And then the rotation, is there an R? Yeah, I'm not sure what all these R's are for. Yeah, they all seem to be in these formulae, which I don't think really help me. In something of the 4-7 number for 6 or 9, the 4 is, oh, did I do sine? Yes, I did. Let me look at my sines. Upon rotation by something, and something upon rotation by something, the 5-5 up, a minus sign. What word comes before up? This 4, this form, this, no. Oh, okay. So we had it in the very first sentence. 4 is an something form of 7, 8, and then 7 must be a verb by 10, 9. And thus, oh, and thus by 9, 9, 4 is 7, 6, 6, and 5. 4, 6, it's not can or may, I tried those. Be something as in the something. Oh, how about root? 4-letter word? No, no square roots or cube roots. So how about cube? So, and then the rotation. Oh my goodness. Let's see if there's any old Greeks around who might have looked at this, or oh, maybe it's more a modern thing. Could it be Taurus-like? No. Any something for 4-5 on something rotation, something to be analogous with this, or there's some congruent, isn't that a a word in mathematics? No. How about side? No. Sides? Oy, oy, oy. 6, 3 plus 1, or sum. We have some sums. Is then the sum of the something something and the 4. How about equations? Equation singular. In the 5 equation, in the first equation, it is the first something something. Oh, 4, 0. Mode, modulo, modulus, null, something 0. Since some year, the 5, 5 with 4, 0 has been maybe proved. No, has been something something to 5, 0 to 4, etc. How about 8, 3? Oh, how about prime? No, prime. And there's something in Z, something. No, I'm not. Which may be something 4 dash integer or integer. No. What area of mathematics are we talking about? Oh, this is getting a little painful. 4 is an something form. What adjective beginning with a vowel would fit in there? Alternate? No. By 10-9. Let's try mathematics. Oh, with some of its missing letters. I knew that was too short. No, mathematical. Too mathematical. 7 number. 4, 5, the mathematical something of 7, 8. No, not getting that. The 8, 10 of something include. Some, more, many, most. Something 7 numbers may. Yeah, I don't know what the 4 dash integer is. Digits, not digits. 8, the 9 of 3, 4 can be. So although the 9 of its something can be derived, no. The exponent, No, the something of the 4 of the rest. No. Should be. Cannot be. Cannot be something. Four dash integer. I thought an integer was an integer. Okay, it can be positive or negative, 0 or non-zero. The 1210 of the 4-7 number is something equals n divided by 2. Oh, how about half? Oh, a half integer. Four 7 numbers may something half integer. Has to be a plural noun, right? 6 letters. The 4 of a 7/8 is something with a blank factor that differs from 1. Okay. Oh, could it be even? As simple as that. No. Even something. Oh, values, of course. Let's do value. Okay. Something numbers may something half integer values. No, not getting this at all. The 9 of the 8-4 can something be something. Self, post, anti. Ooh, since something or something like self-rotation is not 4-7 for 4. However, 4-7, that the 5 of the 8-7 on the angle depends on the angle. As something to the power of something for rotation of angle A, B, C, D. Oh, maybe it's a Greek letter that isn't going to show up. Parallel to the something. So we're rotating some kind of shape. Oh, let's do shape. No. Shapes. Nope. Eight to 9. Angular. No. Ooh, we do have angular right there. That's nice. Do we have it at the... Ooh, look at this. 4 is an something form of angular Movement? No, it wouldn't be a simple word like that. I think they use the word translation. Well, to translate something, no. Angular, no. Let's do rotate. Rotated, self-rotate. With the something something, something is this rotation. Something number. Oh, may give half integer values? No, we do have some gives. Give a little bit. Give non. Constant. No, that's 8. By the something something constant, which has the same dimension. No. Dimensions plural. Oh, there we go. Same dimensions as angular something. And then what's 5 comma? Often it is. Often the lone, the soul, solo, just, very. We have some varies. Something something being very near 0. That doesn't sound mathematical. Is not very nice. It turns out, again, that's not very scientific. It turns out that the 4-6 is not very something because it cannot be very 8-8. No. The opposite direction. Yes. Not, I want to try atom, but I don't think it's anything. Oh, funnily enough, we do have a single atom. For example, a something dash 4 atom in the 6-5 has 4-0 and behaves like a 5, even though the 6 and 9, which make it up, are 3-8. Is that an oxygen? Oh no, it can't begin with a vowel. A helium. Oh, helium 4 atom in the 6-5 has something 0. Mass? No, we do have some masses. Oh, look at this. I did not expect to have mass here. As in, 4 should not be understood as in the 8-8 mass 5. Critical mass? No. I'd love to know that. Oh, sense, I suppose. Okay. 4 should not be understood as in the something something mass sense. So it's a word similar to mass, only different. 4 is a 9-4-8. Well, let me try unit, another good 4-letter mathematical word. Oh, the SI unit of gold. No, oh, that's the unit. Oh, so the unit of this four-letter word, it has, yeah. So it's some value or characteristic. But it shouldn't be confused with mass, 8 mass. Chemical mass? No. Oh, quantum is only 7 letters. We do have 52 quantums. Though its direction may change. 5 are something by something. 5 are, well, maybe categorized by giving the 8 a tiny quantum number? No, a something. The SI unit is the same as something angular momentum. Ooh. Oh, and I didn't notice we got one of these characters here. Is one of those Newton? No. R211. Is that E simply? Oh, IE. Okay. Is the same as something angular momentum. What is that angular momentum? Well, M, NM, NMT, NMH. Do have some H's, maybe for helium. If the 11H is something upon the 4 something, 2 divided by 2 is non-zero, and the 4, 6 angular something, again, I'm just trying to think of something like mass. Is an, well, I didn't get algebra, but let's try algebraic. Nope. Is an electronic, no. And 9-4 form of angular momentum studied, no, by 10 scientists, physicists, 2 physicists, 2 4 physicists, something the 4 of an 8, as for example, something the 8s, 4, 5, 9 into the 10, 4, 2, its path, no, it's something along the y-axis. The 4, 5 will 3, 8 into something. That 2 will something. Let me go back and look at some of these things. Like I've matched helium. Yeah, helium. Same quantum number. Yeah, I should look at my quantums as well. There were a lot of those. Often the 4 quantum number, is simply called. And it's not mass. How about size? Nope. So not. How about weight? No. All right. I think I think this is one. If I left it, went away, had lunch, came back, I might stumble towards the answer. But I think in the interest of everyone's time, I'm going to use some hints. Let's see what words are available. Obviously, you can't get 4 or 7. So let's get this 9-letter form of angular momentum. Intrinsic, okay. Oh, that actually somehow it did come into me that, or to my mind, that when you talk about atoms, you can talk about their spin. That's it. Oh, I still need to get the 7-letter area. So spin obviously has different meanings. Yeah, these simple words can be very tricky. Hey, look at this. I can't believe I'm already up to 153. Yikes. So it's not physics. Is it not electron? Is 8. Neutron, does that have spin? No. And it's not atomic spin. Intrinsic form of angular momentum. Oh, what's the area of mathematics that would study movement? Should not be understood as in the something something mass sense. All right, spin is as a something for some 9 for as something. They use as something direction. The SI unit of spin is the same as 9 angular momentum. Not sure what these other letters are going to be. In some area, spin is something. Yes, I think maybe I'm being thrown off by all of the physics stuff, and it's just simply, yeah, because here we see the quantum stuff, but I'm thinking this might be purely the mathematical part, but there is an awful lot about the quantum stuff. So is it an area of physics, or is it an area of mathematics? Well, there we have mc squared. Spin something quantum number and something. Yes, I suppose we'll have clockwise. No? Well, of course, clockwise depends where you're looking at something from. Spin up and spin down. Mathematical 11. Is there a history section? There is. Spin was first discovered in the 7 of the 8 of 6 6. not first discovered, first, oh, it could be discovered, discovered. Yeah, in the studies, no, in the blank of the 8-8 of 6-6 in some year, 8-5-10-4-2. He found, no, he, something called a 3-10, not 11-11. No, not getting it. So this does seem to all be physics. And then we're down to C also. Spin angular momentum of 5. Spin, 7 letters. Oh, this is aggravating, but I am going to use another hint. What's a good word? I think I'm going to look at 9. Ooh, so it is something to do with particles. Angular momentum, something by subatomic. No, that's only 9. By rotating particles. Okay, oh, there we go, rotating something mass. Let's do particle singular. Oh, now let's type it correctly. There are 41, but it's not there. As in the rotating something by 10 particles. No, I'm just not getting it. Let's go for the 10-letter word. Elementary particles. Okay. Oh, could it be element? No. Spin. Oh my goodness. All right, I am tired of this one. I'm going to give up. Very disappointing, but surely I did physics. Excuse me, I'm so taken aback. Did I mistype it? Or did I just... I thought maybe I typed it and I... Wow, oh my goodness, I did mathematics. Surely I typed in physics somewhere. No, I never did. Oh boy, what a rookie error on my part. Oh my goodness, I'm very embarrassed. All right, well, anyway, serves me right. There have been 243 games played. The median is actually only 31. So I think if I refresh, that difficulty may go down or have gone down. Yes. Yeah. So I think I just caught it early on where there were some people like myself who struggled with it. Oh my goodness, that is very embarrassing. Really thought I had put physics in there, but obviously not. Ay, ay, ay. Well, there's a lesson in that. It's always better to put the word in again than to assume you've typed it in. I hope you didn't make any of my mistakes and you're able to get that a lot more quickly and more easily. Thanks as always for watching and have a great day.